I leap out of bed as soon as the alarm rings every morning. I am leaping over the puddles on my way in right now. My heart has just leapt at the good news. I have been leaping at every new opportunity for months. I leapt across the stream yesterday. I was leaping onto the train when the doors closed. I had leapt to the wrong conclusion before I heard the full story. I had been leaping from job to job for years before I settled down. I will leap at the chance to travel next month. I will be leaping over hurdles at the track meet all day. I will have leapt 3 meters by the end of training. By June, I will have been leaping into cold water each morning for a year.